This gantry at the M876 exit from the M80 at junction 8 has reached the end of its serviceable working life, so it's going to be demolished. It will be replaced by repositioning the upstream gantry onto new foundations at the junction 8 exit. Those foundations will be piled. That is effectively large pillars that go deep into the ground, and the machinery that's required to install those piles is quite big, which requires a lot of working space. A traffic impact assessment was undertaken, and it showed that closing lanes on the M80 would be significantly disruptive to traffic. So we've made the decision to undertake the vast majority of these works overnight. What that means is that there will be an initial 2.5-week period of full overnight closures of the M80 and the M876 southbound, while the large piece of piling equipment is in place. And then later on in the programme there will be further occasions when there will be overnight closures for various activities, including relocating the gantry onto its new foundations. During the works there will be gaps in the Central Reserve safety barrier. Those gaps will be protected by temporary barrier, but the temporary barrier requires a temporary speed limit to be in place for it to provide protection to road users. So whilst most of the work will be undertaken overnight, those temporary barriers will remain in place during the day, and the temporary speed limit will remain in place during the day. And it's important that road users comply with that temporary speed limit for their own safety, even though it might seem that there are no works happening.